The 3 most unique beard oil bottles in my whole entire collection. Oh, you can't see it. Wouldn't you like to know? Hey, what's going on, my bearded brothers, my brethren to the bearded designer, BeardedJester coming at you live with my 3 top awesome unique bottles in my whole entire collection. And in my opinion, probably the most unique bottles on the market. Allegedly. I don't want to get no hate. I don't want to get no hate. So being that said, I'm going to start off with this one right here. Mind you, before I get into it, it's going to be 3 different companies. The first one up to bat is BAM! Bao Beard Company. One of my favorite beard companies. Not only does he have the awesome, amazing... Oh, what's going on, homie? What's happening, brother? This is the man himself, Bao, the creator of this awesome company, Bao Beard Company. And not only do I judge this company because of their awesome beard products, this man right here is an extremely humble, awesome, down-to-earth, friendly guy. Really puts his all into his company, as you can see. But this right here is actually a special edition bottle. It's actually a limited edition. I believe he only made 40 of them. As you can see, this is number 12 out of 40. This is their Blue Lion project. He actually did this project benefit kids of that have been abused, like child abuse. And he did a fundraiser for them. But let's look at this awesome, unique bottle. It literally goes from blue to like light blue to like a reddish right up here with a red top. I found this extremely unique and awesome. It's a beautiful eye-catching bottle. Oil-resistant labeling all around. Beautiful texture. It's almost like a grippy texture almost. And the thing about Bao Beard Company, most of their products are organic, 100% organic, which is beautiful. But everything is awesome about this bottle all the way around, to their labeling, to their bottle, to their topper. And the scent is awesome as well. And up for number 2 is BAM! Texas Beardsman. My bearded brothers, when I first got this, or I saw this on the internet, I just had to have it. I didn't actually care what was in this bottle. I just wanted this for the bottle. This bottle is like a canteen where you put like moonshine, grandfather's liquor. But I love it how it's like a little handle and almost like you could drink it. Beautiful labeling. As you can see, it got like that rustic rake-a-shangle look, you know? Beautiful, awesome logo as well. This bottle here is also limited edition, which is awesome. I love having limited edition stuff. It's just that feeling where it's just like, hey, you probably don't have this, homie. Not only is the bottle awesome, but the beard oil as well smells phenomenal. I had this beard oil for a while. I haven't used much, as you can see, because it's just like, I love the bottle. I just don't want to like kind of use it. It's weird. But other than that, this is an extremely unique bottle. I believe this is first of its kind. I've yet to see a beard oil bottle like this. Awesome bottle, my friends. Unique. Now, my bearded brethrens, this company right here's oil bottles is hands down my favorite. I understand it's a bold statement from after seeing these 2 awesome beard bottles. I tell you right now, this company went all out when it comes to their labeling, their logo, their lettering, their bottle style, the quality of the body style, the heavy duty of the bottle style. And that company number 3 is BAM! War Paint. I did an unboxing of this company right here, and I can tell you right now, I just had to do a special unboxing for this company because the awesome, unique oil bottle that this company presented to me was absolutely mind-blowing. This is an extremely thick glass of beard oil, and I'm telling you, it is super heavy duty. The gold metallic lettering on the line, on the name brand, the simple but eye-catching logo, and the American flag in the back as well is beautiful. It has the products right here. I love the way how he implemented his whole like war paint theme and everything like that. It has a golden top right here, and it's a metal top at that. It's not plastic at all, so it's like all around heavy duty. Oh my god, and their oils smell phenomenal, man. Oh, I can't wait to do a full oil review on this company, man. I really can't wait. This right here is their Black Fire. Again, it has that gold metallic shine to it all the way around. This right here is one of my favorite bottles. And it's actually pretty convenient because you could stack them next to each other and it won't take up too much space. But all in all, these companies, regardless how unique these bottles are, never mind all that. The company themselves are awesome. The owners of these companies are awesome. And you should definitely check them out because not only do they have awesome, unique bottles, their customer service, their product are uniquely awesome in their own right. If you guys out there know any other company have unique bottles like this, please hit me up and I'll do an awesome review and presentation on those companies as well. Well, that's all I have for you, my bearded brothers, my brethren to the beard. It is I, the Bearded Jester, coming at you live. Please hit that thumbs up. Please hit that notification bell. Please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm out of here.